So, ni kasang keranki, chilogla chamcham chimba imbe.
La yin, kasang nye chilo la chin pa yin.
Ale,
Uh,
kabar chimba.
Nye loptra la chin pa yin.
Lobta la leka chekar chimba imbe.
Leka cheka chin pa yin.
Ale, laso. Ni keranki nima takpar pukula kapar tongki yube.
Um, Nima, um, Nima takpar pugula kapar tangi me.
Agos.
Ine
Mhm,
ine tsam tsam
mhm,
kapar tangi ye.
agoso. Ni kasang pukula kapar tongba imbe.
Um, um, dre, trengi me. Uh,
Tenki. Mhm,
um, um, Yindro.
ale. Chik chena tang yin.
Chikchena tangin.
Chik chena tang yin. Spell. Ale. Laso, tujiche. Alex la tujiche.
Tukji chegen
Ini ya Nimala inda. Nimala tashi delek.
Taşıcılığı
Nimala
var.
delek. Nimala. Love song ha kogi yube. Love song.
Lapsong,
Uh-huh.
Hakosong,
Ha gosuma. Love song la
Lapsong,
tsikdup zero na. Tsikdup. Tsikdup zero na.
Lapsong. Neden çok po tuk ne Lapsong, tuk ne Lapsong.
Kari yangyal song ta.
Neden çok po nyamdu yol ne tuk ne kecha Lapsong.
Didig ma song. Didig ma song. Love song labna told. Raba. Now who told what? Dishe gurba. Na.
Kecha Lapsong, kecha Lapsong.
Kecha love song. Chitang kecha love song.
Kecha.
Labki mare. He said talk. Labki marwa. Kende labki marwa. Konki sha masa love songs. Nye trope chilok la madro love songs. Raba. Nye trope shingtok mangbo sa love songs. Didabo. Hako sunge love song.
Hakomasong.
Ke amare tatange de la tengi. We will practice this sentence today. Hako sunga love song. Hmm?
What is love song?
Told. Love, labna. When you say something, love. Song is past tense. You witness it.
Okay. So love is tell.
Hmm.
Love is tell, and then song is past tense. Okay.
Past tense, you witness it. Hako sunga you witness.
Yeah. Okay.
Somebody is saying.
Okay.
What?
Past tense.
He
Okay.
said what?
Uh-huh.
Let's say don't eat meat. Sha masa love song. Ruba. Sha sa love song. Lavna eat meat. Ruba. Masa lavna don't eat. Ruba. Sha masa love song. Or let's say gom gyap love songs. Meditate love song. Ruba. Gom gyap love song. Ruba. Now we can also add who said it. Ruba. Lame, let's say Lame, Kom Gyap love song. Ruba? No. Why here, Sa? because lama is the action doer. Raba, 세상 lame gom gyap love song. So love song is very informal. So let's not say it with the lama. Raba, let's say 족부, your friend. Raba, 족부 gom gyap love song. Hmm? If you wanna make it honorific, sung song. 고승아, rinpoche nima takpar gom gyab sung song. Raba, the love song
Genla
informal.
Genla Gonda. So is it in imperative?
Which one?
So so Drogpa Gongyap love song. Does this mean my friend told me to meditate, or he told me meditate? Or does this mean he told me he meditates?
Mare, you are talking to a third person about second person, what he told you. Raba,
So he told me meditate. Like he told me, Alex Lam, Gomgyap, Gomgyap Tam.
love song.
So it's imperative. Is
Yes,
it?
that's true. Kind of indirect imperative. Raba,
Uh-huh.
Raba.
But how to make it so he told me that he meditates. My friend told me he meditates every day.
That's it. So that's very easy. Raba. Let's say Konki Gom Gyap. So when you say meditate, it's like a present continuous, general knowledge. Raba, he told me he'd meditate. So when it's general knowledge, what do we use?
Yere.
We use present tense. Kiyu, kiyuri, kiduk. Raba, general.
But how to add he told me that?
That's it. I'm telling you here, Raba. We use when it's general, we say kiyu. Hom jab kiyu, love song. That's it.
Ah,
What goes me?
uh-huh.
That's it. When he
Akasong.
told, he will say, "Oh, tingsange gom gyapki." Then you are telling me, "Oh, kongki tingsang gom gyapki." Love song. You are telling exactly what he said.
Uh-huh. Akasong. Akasong.
That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Think about how he will tell you. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
tingsange gom gyapki. Then you just change the nge to kongki. ting상 kongki gom gyapki yu. Then love song. That's it. 하고승아, 비디기도.
Okay.
나 하고승아 족부 gom gyap love song. rinpochenki gom gyap song song. Honorific. Here. 하고승아, 다 디하 거나 니말라 책둡시 세로나.
Тензинки дато печо лапсong. Тензинки дато печо лапсong.
배추 제기인 love song.
Печо чекин лапсong.
봐. Because I will use data, right? Right? Data picture checking in love song. Like this. Make it simple. 하고서 니 족부 드린 건다 목목 속이 in love song.
기란기 쪽 포, 소, 소,
Soki
소, 랍송, 소키인,
love song.
랍송.
Depends. If he already made or will make or making, you have to identify. Soki in, soki yu, sopa in. 하고숭이. For example, let's say, 니말라, 드링 공다 키랑키 가리사키 인.
음, 그래, 사키. 텐진, 지와, 랍송.
말해. 드링 공다 가리사키 인. How would you answer
But
this?
how we use 랍송 here?
Yes, I will show you. First answer this. 하고숭아. 드링 공다 키랑키 가리사키 인.
테링곤다, 칼라사키인.
칼라 가리사키 인. 하고숭.
칼라, 강요나, 사키인.
Let's say 모모사키 인. 봐봐.
오케이. 테링곤다, 모모사키인.
드링 공다 모모사키 인. 하고숭아.
If I find it.
That's it. So now you told me Tirikonda Momosaki. Now I'm telling to our other friends. Oh, Tirikonda Nimalaki Momok Saki in love song. That's it. How goes me? That's how you use.
Not exactly. Please write this sentence. I cannot get. Тензинки, лапсон, теринги, гондак, нимей, момосакиин, лапсон.
Oh, that's it. How goes on? Tirikonda Konki Momok Saki in love song.
Tenzin, may I put before lapsong the name? Terin gondak, momo,
No,
where is Saki?
you cannot. Jigimare. I understood. Ringonda Momosaki in Tenzin Ki love song. You are trying this.
Yes,
What?
yes, is it correct to say
It's a waste of
Nima lapsong?
I would say. How goes on? No. You cannot.
I think momo sa, we need to use sa in this sentence. You
Really?
just write momo giin. I am not momo. I am momo sagiin.
That's it. Momosaki in love song.
Momo sagiin. Nimei lapsong.
Love Gumare. I already mentioned Konki here.
Okay.
That's it. Ringonda
But is it correct to put
Saki in love song.
this kong before lapsong? Teringongdak
Yeah, I just
momosakiin kongi lapsong.
Digimare. How goes
Digmare.
Digimare.
Okay.
Only if I ask who
Digmare.
said it, who told, Sui love song, then you say Konki love song, Nime love song, Egleski love song. Not like what you mentioned here in the sentence. Akosma. That's it.
Tikere.
All right.
Tenzin-la, ani ser.
La.
Ani ser lab GRP. Drop gom gyap ser lab song.
Ma ser thang lap chikpare, ser song lap song chikpare. Akosma.
Ah.
Ser thang lap chikpare.
아니, 세르탕 랍 냠두.
Labki mare.
아하,
Agosma.
아하,
You won't
하고서.
say I'm having eating momo. You won't say. You either say I'm eating momo or I'm having momo. Oh, I say na di chikpar ba having thang eating thada. Di dabore. Ser thang lab chikpare. Se thang ser lab song labki mare. Yang na ser song, yang na lab song. Yang na song song. Agosma. That's it.
하고서, 동지체.
Raba, let's break down here.
Oh,
Sweet love song. Sweet love song. Nime love song. Raba. Let's see. Who told? Nima told. Nime love song. Now, what did Nima told? Nime mok mok saki yin love song. That's it. Very simple here. How goes ma? Who told? Sweet love song. Nime love song. Nime kare love song. Nime mok mok saki yin love song. Hmm? How goes ma? That's it. Olas. So there are question like this comes or sentence like this comes in the conversation, so we will realize what it means. Agosma love song. For example, if you look at here, ruwa, deduwa, kyuki chokmo yin love song.
okay.
Kyuki chokmo yin. What is meant by kyuki chokmo yin? Keranki chokmo yin. Kyutang kerang chikpare.
Your friend.
That's it. Love song. He told he's your friend. Like this. Kyuki chokpo yin love song. Keranki chokmo yin love song. Rwa?
So this cur works as a subject in two places. First, this cur is talk more, and the second cur love song. One word, two functions.
What do you mean?
Köki talk more in, Köki love song. This cur works in two ways. Köki talk more in, Anpo, Nipa, Köki love song.
So that's different sentence. Kyuki chokmo yin kongki love song. That's the sentence we are talking here. How goes ma?
Not easy.
Yes, so we have to read this conversation. Today we will read this whether we understand or not. Akosuma. And then after that we will know the meaning. Why here love song here? Akosuma. Let's try this. Yeah. Wang chung chung la in the Wang chung chung la ngagwang yin. Tene mai la metok yin.
Lasso. When medo lamkala achikla jiktusong. Kogi dromoing lapsong. Konsure nge hakomasong.
That's
아래, 레, 모기, 도모레, 케르탄, 모, 아리라, 도기요레, 탄다, 갸카라, 삼참, 레파레.
다다 gyagarla cham cham le pare.
Ale kilang ni chambo yuebe. Mui nangmi tso gyagala yuebe.
가, Ni pe champoyo mo para tang amala ani ani acha chik gyakala yole motan chocho che arira dogi yole.
Hmm?
Ale mo chansa kaptara barebe, bugu yorebe.
That's it. Fuku yorube.
Chansa gyachale puku ni yole. Mo go ka tang puku ni yang arira dogi yole.
코 말에 카야타 캬나르 교카 하고숭아.
Kyoka?
교카.
Okay.
husband.
Kyoka.
네,
Husband.
교카.
Okay.
her husband.
Kyoka.
하고숭아.
Okay.
응?
Okay. Kyoka.
네, 교카당 부구니 양 아리라 드기여레 하고숭아. 빼요.
Hakoson.
Ale moi pamani gyaga karba yore. Dharamsala yorebe.
빼요. 응?
Re daramsara yore. Lima tapa kora dogi yore.
Ale nge hakomason moi palagi min karere.
Moi para kimi tashire. Mo amara ki min pemare.
빼요. 빼말에. 응?
Ale ani kilang droma dusongwe.
응?
Tucson, Nima ni Gonla, Doruma Tucson,
That's it. 응?
sa Nima la, Mo, Nami, Tang, Ngato, Lira doi in, Linka Tang ki in, Keran doi in pe,
빼요.
Re dadare nga so tsangmaro.
빼요. 빼요. 올라서. Reading wise. I think we already did that conversation before, one time, Ruba, in the last class. Ruba?
No, no,
Yes, we have.
Yes. We
not
did.
exactly. It's slightly changed, not exactly the same, slightly changed. Yeah.
Less. Mhm. So here, we read very well. Now I wanna ask, Wang Chung Chung Lang Da Maila, have you understood little bit?
Yes.
Maila, talk some Hakosung.
Toksam Hakoso.
Let's look at this paragraph here, Ruba. Tuk song, tuk, meet, Ruba. Now song is past tense. Yes, met. Tuk song. Nimani ngon la. We know this. Nimani, 2 days. Ngon la, before. Ruba. We're talking about past tense. Nimani ngon la, dolma tuk song. Like this. So we can make any sentence here. Lo chik ngon la, nge Thailand la dropa yin. Nima nyi ngon la, Nepal la protest shepa re. Diba? Like this. Ako sunge. Okay? Nima chik ngon la, Wi-Fi mepa chakso. Like this. We're talking about past tense. Before 1 day, before 2 days, before 1 month, before 1 week. We don't say last week. We say before 1 week. Agosma. Okay. Mm. Here. Then here very easy. Sanimala. Sunday la. Mới nang mi thang. Nga tsu. Rila dukin. Agosma rila. Mountain la dukin. Future tense. Linka tangin. We'll do picnic. We'll picnic. Raba? Kirang dukin be. Very simple question attached together. Agosma like this. Hmm? Peo. Peo sunso. Tujiche. Las las. Tadedwa we meto. Lamkala. Acha lakchik tuksong. Lamkala on the road. Acha lakchik. One sister. Tuksong. Agosma lamkala acha lakchik tuksong. Kyeki chokmoyin lapsong. Told. Told what? Your friend. Claiming your friend. Love song. Agosma, just like that. Hola so. Tene inda ya. Ya Alex la thang nima laginda.
Mhm. Ngawang repe.
Dere kerang ngawang yin. Tene nima la metok yin.
We meto. Lamka la achak la chik tuksong. Kyogi chok mo yin lapsong. Kong sure nge hago masong.
That's it.
Ali re mo nge çok mo re. Çirtan mo arila döküyöre. Tata gyakarla çamçamla fare.
Yeah.
Ale kerang ni chambo yepe. Me nangmi cho gyagala yorbe.
Yeah. Kerang ni champo
Ngay
yuki. Close. Champo.
Chambo yepe.
Close. Are you too close? Kerang ni champo yuki. That's it.
ngani pe çampoyu. Mö pala dan amla ani açakçık gyakarla dor yöre. Mo dan çoçuçik arila döküyöre.
Yeah.
Ale mo changsak yap sarpa repe. Pugu yorbe.
Yeah.
Çansa gyaptsar re. Çansa gyaptsar re. Puguni yöre. Mö kyoga dan puguni yang arila döküyöre.
That's it. Changsa gyap marry re. Hakosuma. That changsa gyap sarpa repe. Merit. Reba past tense. Hakosuma.
Ale me paman yi gyagar kavar yore. Taram savar yorebe.
Re. Daramsalar yöre. Ni ninma takpar kora çoyi yöre.
That's it. Nima takpar.
Nima takpar kora joyi yöre.
Ale nge hagomasong. Me palagi min karere.
Mö palagimin taşire. Mö amalagimin pemare.
Yeah.
Ale ani kerang delma tuksongwe.
That's it.
Tuksong ninma ningenla dolma tuksong.
Yeah.
Sa nimala Me nang midang ngatso rila join
Fail.
rinka tongin. Kiran join pe
Re ta re. Ngatso tsamadro.
Fail. Fail lo song. 다 하고숭아. 다 약보 하고숭아. 다 상마 하고숭아. 오야. 레라보 누가?
Tsama hakoson.
상마.
rela podu.
레라보 요래.
Rela,
야스.
rela
되네.
poyere.
타랄라인다. 타랄라 프랙티스인다. 타랄라. 타랄라.
Ah,
걔랑 왕인. 나 메토긴. 로그로난.
okay. Uh-huh. À, đêm mê tốt làm làm khá là chắc lắc chích à, thúc sùng
빼고.
không khí thuộc mố dính làm sùng không sự đề nghe 하고 마송
Very good. 알레. 레. 몽에 초무레. Chirtang mo arila döki yore. Chirtang generally hagosunga.
직당 야
Chirtang mo arila döki.
하리라
Mhm.
아, 아,
Tata tata gyagarla
야
chamcham
알라
lepare.
참참 랩파리 야 알레 걔랑 니
Mhm.
걔랑 니 참보 요배 mỗi tháng
Mhm.
mê chốt
Mhm.
약을 요리배
That's it. Me nangmitso gyakarla yorepe peo. Ngani pe champo yo. Me pala tang amala. Ani achak chik gyakarla yore. Motang chuchuchik
tháng cho
arila deki yore.
아리가 기억을 Ale mo where did it go? Cancel. Mo chang la capture ba ripe. Puku yo ripe.
빼고 뭐 창사 갭 살바레페 부쿠 요레페 라바 창사 갭 살레 부쿠니 요레 뭐 교가당 부쿠니 양 아리라 되기
Arila 저기 요래. 아하. Ale nor pama ni yak yakar kapar yore.
다람살라
dharamsala yore pe.
빼고 레 다람살라 요레 니마 딱벌
Nima
꼬라 저기
takpal
요레
yore. Ale ta nima hako masong moi pa lak ki ming karire
뭐 빨라기 민 트라시레 뭐 아무라기
tashire moi
민
amala ki ring
테마레
pekmare ale ani kerang rolma tuk song pe
That's it. 툭송 니마니
nima
nganga
ni rola
Roma 툭송
rolma tuk song
사 니말라 너 낭미 당
매방
소
비강 쇼를
릴라 조기인
라 여기겠냐
링가 땅기인
원
랑 조기인베
이렇게 레 딱딱 레 나초 당마로
That's it. 나초 상마 We all 나초 we
상마
상마
야
all
나초 we are together 상마로 야
나초 상마 draws right?
야
That's like Gen Z 상마 protest chigi yoles right? Kathmandu ki Gen Z right? So pay son tarala. Very good reading. How goes one?
Thank you. I will read 2-3 times, then I can be fluent with it. Yeah.
Why not? Why not? It always help. 아니 셴바 창마 약보 치기도 말라 약보도 엘렉스라 약보도 니말라 약보도 왕충충라 약보도 투지치 아니 sorry I couldn't prepare better Ruba, due to no internet agosma and I think it will be it will
Don't
be
worry lah. Yeah, we appreciate that at least you came. We were thinking you won't be able to come up.
yes yesterday I couldn't do it because very bad today little bit better agosma 네 투지치
Tomorrow will be more better. Tungjuche, tashi dile.
Thank you, Genla, as always. Thank you.
뚝지치.
See you on Friday, everybody. Bye bye. Sawadika.
사와디카.
Ah,
Thanks,
sawadika.
everyone.
Somebody has picked up the word sawadika.
사와디카, 사와디카.